People, the Zeus. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. 72 caliber Zeuser AEA, ready to go to a Mustang blue door, the infamous blue door. Look at it. It's like Swiss cheese, but we put a marker on there so we could see where the impact is. And wow. Wow, dude, my earlobes. My ears. That was sick, dude. What?
Fucking put his shirt over.
AEA Zeuser. Woo.
Where did is that where I hit? I don't even know where I hit it.
Dude, I felt that thump my chest, dude.
That's gotta be a height in this,
What'd you hit? Nothing?
Come on.
No. Well, we gotta do it again.